to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? I have officially joined the gang of Nigerians that have power bank. I've been actually surviving Nigeria for a year and now without this.
I touch that 5 for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all and I'm around. You scared to do. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. For the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. That white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex from argue, I'm not violent on you day one. We had shit, yeah.
Good morning. Today is the 1st of February. Happy new month. If you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Jane and you're welcome to my page. Guys, I'm all about lifestyle content on this space, so you want to make sure to subscribe, like and share. If you want entertaining unfiltered content, then this is the space for you. I'm off to work now, so today is Thursday. I'm going to work and also the first day of the month. So we have this ritual that I set up in my business place that every first of every new month we all come fasting. My staffs come fasting, and you know, we pray for the business, and yeah, trust me, it works really good. I'm ready, guys. So today I'm carrying this bag. I'm also giving my work bag. I'm carrying this bag today. This is the bag that I gifted myself in December for Christmas. It looks so good, very thick and simple. This white top is from Nello's mesh, Nello Okeke's mesh. So I just went inside of this to look a bit more decent with this dress that I'm putting on. You guys saw me yesterday. I went to do some shopping, guys. That's for my birthday gift, so wait for my birthday vlog. It's also my birthday month, guys. Give me ideas on what to do, because I don't know what to do. I don't know what I want to do for my birthday this year. Yeah, and this is, you know, I'm seeing this year as a very good year. This year I started really great for me. January was massive on my business, so I hope that this month comes with all the good things for me in 2024. I always mark my birthday one way or the other. Of course, charity is involved. I'm considering prison visits. I'm considering giving money out to widows. So let me know which one you think is the best. Comment below. I'm looking forward to your comments. I'm going to make sure that this vlog goes up before my birthday so that you guys can, you know, give me good suggestions. I was also considering giving food to the needy, like going out and feed the needy, but yeah, those are my 3 options. So let me know which one you think is actually the best and I'll go with it. Mwah.
wonderful, and no one seems to hold me like you do. You're so wonderful, a star could never shine as bright as you. Shine as bright as you. Even the dark days still see light. Even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you, with you. I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel so lucky I met you. It's not logical, the way I feel when you walk in the room. When you walk in the room, it's not optional. How gravity just pulls me right to you, to you. Even the dark days still see light. Even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you, with you. I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel so lucky I met you. Spent my whole life waiting for someone like you, baby, and all these broken roses led to you. Spent my whole life waiting for someone like you, baby, and all these broken roses led to you. I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel so lucky I met you.
Hi guys, so I wanted us to have a conversation here. I don't know if it's me overthinking things, but there's this thing with like me coming up on Instagram or Facebook or Snapchat, and I realized that some of my peers are actually getting married, and I always think about it, I'm like, what's going on? Am I the only one left? Okay, I just feel like this is the prime where like my peers are getting married, everyone is getting engaged and all of that, and I'm just like, people, life is moving really fast. Like when I think of the age I'm turning this month, I'm just like, wait though, I should actually be considering marriage. You know, if some of you are feeling that way, that some of your peers are actually getting married, and you people be like, see nothing they happen, you know, they even they see the side of relationship, me come be say, oh yeah, exclusive with somebody. And this whole marriage thing, love is beautiful. I'm not even going to lie, love is beautiful. And I feel like also with my family, there's a lot of expectations, like, you should want to get married though. Especially now that like we're kind of, should I say I'm on the chubby part, they're like, oh, you know, you're big, you know, men are into, you know, plumpy babes, no fat babes. So I'm like, there's a man for every woman, so don't let anybody pressure you. You're going to find your man, you're going to find the one that God made for you. Don't let anybody make you feel like, you need to get married now, or you need to do something now, you need to force yourself to make things work. Don't get pressured by the people that are living the singlehood. I'm happy for them, genuinely. I am genuinely happy for them, and I pray that what happens for them happens to me. I don't feel lonely, I don't feel anyhow, but I just feel like there's this slight pressure that's common. Look left, right, front, back, everybody is getting married, and you guinea kineme with your life. Like, what are you doing with your life? Anyways, I'm entering a new year unmarried, and I'm not feeling bad, but anything can happen. I might pop out next week now, I'm married. People will be shocked. Me too, I'll be shocked. I'll be surprised. That's it for this vlog. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'm trying to be consistent this year, and yeah, I'm waiting for your suggestions to what I should do for charity for my birthday, please drop it in the comment section. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you're not, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye guys.